In this video, how to use Manus AI Agent. I will show you step by step how to use Manus AI Agent. First, go to the official Manus AI website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you will see the main platform dashboard. Now find the option called Create Agent or New Agent. Click this option to create a new AI agent. Enter a name for your agent. Choose the type of task the agent will perform. For example, answering messages or generating content. Now configure the agent instructions. Enter a prompt explaining how the agent should behave. Define the main goal of the AI agent. You can also configure permissions and tools. Select available integrations if needed. After configuring everything, click Save. Now the agent will be ready to use. You can send tasks to the agent directly from the platform. Type a command or question for the agent to execute. The agent will process the request automatically. You can edit the agent settings anytime. This is how you can use Manus AI Agent to automate tasks.